Hello, welcome to He Said, She Said Food for Thought. Today we're going to make a hot crab dip. I'm looking at the ingredients here. We'll have those posted for you. I'm going to show you it's going to start with a concoction of 2 things of cream cheese. We've got our crab meat. If you have fresh crab meat, that's better, but if not, it'll work. I'll show you how this comes together.
So we've got the sour cream and mayo and cream cheese and what else?
And I put about a tablespoon of Worcestershire, a little less than that actually, a tablespoon of garlic and about a tablespoon of Dijon. Mixed
up with this posh contraption. And what else you putting in?
And so then all I'm going to do now is add a little bit of bay seasoning, Old Bay. It just kind of takes a little bit of the fishiness out of it. I'm going to add about a tablespoon. And then I'm going to go ahead, eventually I'm going to add my cheese, but right now we're using crab meat here from the can, guys. We can't really get it here from in the area that we're at. If you've got fresh crab meat, I am jealous, but I'm going to go ahead and add this. I'm going to fold it into the mixture and not use the blender. I'm going to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon. Make sure that you don't get the seeds in there. Just squeezing it in for a little bit of seasoning on the crab. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper, not very much. I've got some scallions. You can use, it's about 2 to 3. You can add more if you like. I'm going to throw in some cheese.
It's Swiss.
This is Swiss, and then I'm going to add a little cheddar and top it with Parmesan. And the final thing I'm going to do is add a little bit of, yeah, you guys are going to say you're
ooh, this stuff.
Yeah, but it's actually from Japan.
Flake style.
It's really just for a little bit of color, and it's imitation crab meat. It's not really crab. I'm just going to kind of put it in there. Just
plastic.
It's not plastic.
It's plastic.
No, it's real seafood. It's just not crab.
Okay, so it's going in the old dish to go in the oven. What temperature? How long?
350 for 30 to 40 minutes at the most. Make sure you grease your pan. I also added a little bit more cheddar. I'll top this off with a bit more of the crab meat and as well with some scallions and Parmesan. I spread that crab out.
This is it, looking all sexy and pretty, ready for the old oven. So we'll see in a little bit once it's done its stuff in the oven. And there we have it, straight out the oven. Look at that. It looks beautiful. And now we've got some crackers to tuck in with it.
You can also serve that with some pita bread, also some crispy bread on the side. Let this cool for about 10 minutes, but yeah, it's looking very good.
We're going to tuck into this in 10 minutes, so like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye now.